A friend asked me about this, so I tested it and here's what worked. If you've forgotten your Apple ID password, don't worry, it's a common issue and recovering it is straightforward. Just follow these steps. Step 1. Go to Apple ID account page. Visit the Apple ID account page at apple.apple.com. This is where you can manage your Apple ID and initiate the password recovery process. Step 2. Click on Forgot Apple ID or Password. On the sign-in page, click the link that says Forgot Apple ID or Password. This will guide you to the recovery options available for your account. Step 3. Enter your Apple ID. Input your Apple ID email address when prompted. Make sure to enter the correct email associated with your account to receive recovery instructions. Step 4. Choose recovery method. Select how you want to reset your password, either through email or security questions. If you choose email, check your inbox for a reset link. Step 5. Follow the instructions. If you opted for email, click the link in the email and follow the instructions to create a new password. Make sure your new password is strong and memorable. Remember, if you don't receive the email, check your spam folder or ensure you entered the correct Apple ID. Good luck, and don't hesitate to reach out if you have more questions.